today we have an iPhone 4. This is Apple's only battery replaceable iPhone. Blacked out, but he's cracked on this side, he's cracked on this side. And this was pretty common with the iPhone 4 because of their delinquency. We're gonna be taking a deep dive into this boy. And I have to cut all that out. So this is it. So you take that off, you do whoopie boop whoopie, and whoop-de da dop-de. Your battery is right there. All you gotta do is get another one of your screws. You go in. You take this off, pop that out, and then we get our little Apple pull tab here. And then voila, we have battery. Battery! And that battery is actually really good. And then we have inside of iPhone. And now we're going to be taking apart said iPhone. You want to know what that is? So this right here is actually GSM connector, and this is the CDMA one, and they would just run a line underneath here for the GSM models because the iPhone 4 did not come with. Oh yes, this is a structural Phillips. Okay. Genghis Khan, ring-a-ding-dinger, and then the screen should just fall out once I get the structural screws. The display in order to get to the. Oh boy, I'm dropping the old ring-a-dinger. As far as repairability goes, this phone is a fucking 0. Like, honestly, I hate this design so much when it comes to like repairability because I haven't even gotten to the screen yet. Like, if you break your iPhone's 4 screen, there's no getting it back. Like, you're toast. All the screws I use. So for most of the video, I was using the P000H, and then I was using the PH00, and then I was using the these were for all the structural screws. This is a flathead. Flatheads are mostly used for the structural ones, but these two I was using primarily the most throughout the repair. And then I used the P2 to get into the iPhone for the first time.